Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to go over today Arizona iced tea. This is one of my favorite brands when I was growing up as a kid. This drink just takes me back to my childhood. So I love what they've done with the branding here on their site. I think they did a really awesome job. And we're getting into a case study now of redesigns we did to improve their product pages to convert more traffic. So right off the bat, starting with the desktop, they got great fonts. I love what they did with the fonts and the styling. But what we did is we just made the width a lot wider. They have so much white space here. And we just made this bolder. We made the image bolder, adding a dark background, adding the thumbnails here, just bringing up here the spacing. It's a little bit all over the place. And there's a lot of room here. I'm on a MacBook 14-inch, so there's just way more room they can work with. So I made it wider here. It's important when designing, whether it's mobile, tablet, even desktop size. You have 1200 pixels, 1440, 1600, 1800 or more to outfit your page according to different widths, because it will make an impact. It really does affect the user experience. And a lot of people on desktop, they're going to be on 1440 or more. So just having it like this, you have so much white space that you don't really need. A lot of similar things we did was the variants. We kept the variants there. Now, instead of add to cart, I switched it to buy now with the price. So you want to just keep your funnel as clean as possible. It does convert more by making your CTA into a buy now instead of add to cart. With buy now, you just click the button. It automatically goes to your cart, takes you to the cart page. That eliminates one step in your funnel and gets people to convert faster. Super crucial too is adding free shipping. They did not have free shipping. We added under the CTA. Adding free shipping will increase the conversions. You will sell more, and adding descriptions here. The last biggest thing we did was adding social proof. So with free shipping, social proof, making things wider, making it a bit bolder here with the colors, that's going to greatly increase the conversion on desktop. I foresee that's going to increase it at least 25%. So yeah, Arizona iced tea, you guys are great. I want you to convert and sell more. Now getting onto the mobile. So remember, more than 80% of your traffic is going to be on mobile. So it's super crucial to have your product pages as optimized as possible for mobile. So first thing up here, we added the CTA button all the way to the top in the announcement bar. A lot of people, if they're seeing your product page from an ad or whatever, they might already want to buy the product. Just let them buy it right away. Take their money. You know, they want to just buy it right away. Just do that. Next, we got the review count up here. Peek through. So we find that turning your images into a peek through does convert better, because instead of having the image of full width, users do like it if they can see a little bit of what the next image is. So they just swipe. It's just very easy. Gets them to stay on your page longer and just more invested on your page. We have the variants here, quantity options here, and here we add free US shipping. So we added the quantity options. So here it's supposed to be buy now. It says add to cart, but just note it should be buy now with free shipping underneath it and description as well. So yeah, free shipping is super important. Make sure this is buy now. And last, you can see the before and after. So before, pretty simple, white background. The CTA, it's a little bit of cutoff. Here on the after, we made sure the buy now button is at the top. Adding a peek through, you can see what is the next image is. Doing what we can to get people to stay on the page longer. Review count all the way at the top. People get a little bit of social proof all at the top. If you can't always fit the social proof at the bottom, just at least put the review stars at the top so they get a little bit of that. But yeah, already this page is going to convert way better. I foresee it's going to convert anywhere from 25, 30% or more CVR. Much more. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this and you want to do the same for your e-commerce product pages, for your Shopify store, for your Replo, book a call and let's get in touch.